Man, it's time to get up.
I got something dope to show y'all, something cool I'm working on. I need this piece, so rather than just go out and buy it on Amazon like everybody else can do, I was like, man, I'm gonna make this shit. We gonna go to the 2nd Avenue thrift shop and see what they got, man, because they got all kind of shit. Let me finish getting dressed. I'm gonna get ready and I'll meet right back up with y'all. Bust mode everything. Gotta make your bed every day. I can't even leave the house for doing certain things, like making my bed, getting my shit together. Of course, getting dressed, but also I make a mess, man. You know what I mean? When I'm laying down at night and I'm smoking or I'm chilling, sometimes I make a mess. All of this, just from one night. I don't know if y'all remember, but I recorded a video a while back, maybe like 5 or 6 months ago, and it's called Targeted Individual. I tried to come down here and film a video, a how-to video of getting cheap equipment, gear, anything like that. I came down here, I was ready to do the video and show people some dope stuff. Like, this is where you can go to get cheap gear and shit, like stuff, lighting, anything you want for your studio, shit like that. You get inside the store and I'm being stuck. So that shit didn't go as planned. But I still got a good video out of it. The content was good. But this is a retake. I'm trying to do this shit again, man. I'm trying to go down here and show y'all where you can get some cheap stuff that can actually work for you. Maybe lighting, stuff for your backdrop, chairs, tables, all kinds of shit. The point of this video was me wanting to get a mirror for my camera. What that's going to do is it's going to allow me to record with my camera and see the screen, because it doesn't have a flip out screen. But that's no problem. I got y'all. If you have a camera and it doesn't have a flip out screen, you can't see yourself, this video is gonna help you, because I'm about to show you how to do it. I'm gonna keep walking. I'm gonna holler at y'all in like 5 minutes. Wait. And the sad thing is, if the same thing happens again, where they start stalking me and shit, it's just gonna leave bad reviews for their shit. It's old ass Polaroid camera. $13. 3D glasses. You just gotta keep looking, you never know what you're gonna find. Here's another old camera, $13. They just got a lot of stuff in here that can really help you, man. Digital photo frame. $8. Oh shit, binoculars. $5. They should thank me though, because I'm sitting there promoting their shit. But you know how the world is, it treats you like shit. You just gotta keep going, man. If they hating on you, let them fucking hate. Like, you never know what's in these things. It's like random shit. They usually have some shit down here too. Like, you never know what they got. You just gotta check. DVD wall mount. It's like posters for backgrounds. I'm telling you, man. For YouTube studio, this is a good place to come. You can basically use anything around here for your studio. I just need like a little mirror. $3. Green Day, Rolling Stones. Sony video cameras right there. They got a few cameras. I'm gonna show y'all what I got in a second, and see what we can do with it later. But as of right now, I'm ready to go on Aldi's. Get my dinner for the night. After that, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. I got this right here at the Dollar Tree, along with, let me show y'all this too. two of these green pieces of cardboard that I'm gonna use for a green screen. It's a little makeup mirror thing. It came with like a little brush, but this right here is gonna go in this. Basically, you got the mirror. This is for my camera. I got this little attachment that used to hold a phone, and it goes down into another piece that used to hold a phone. I put them together. This black piece right here was off of my ring light. It just holds the phone coming out of the ring light, and you can see that little screw right there, like, it comes off. So then you got this piece. This piece right here would screw into the ring light. This holds the mirror, and it's secure too. Screw this back on. You know what I mean? Now it's a screen, so now when I'm vlogging, recording, whatever, I can see myself, which is dope. You can basically call me a DIY filmmaker because, like, none of my shit is authentic. Like, most of my gear and my stuff is just rigged up, other pieces that, you know, I created. Like, created this. This old Tupperware container that I painted black. Put some foil on there. This right here is just an old headlight. Not an old, but it's a headlight that goes around your head for when you're in the woods and stuff. Connected that to a tripod from my old light, the old ring light. I said before, there's another thing that y'all want to get. A little whiteboard, dry erase board. Pinning down my new backdrop how I want it. You got the poster, you got the black light. I just don't have the fill light right there and my hair light on. This is gonna be dope. What I use this for, it's a green screen, and it's gonna just allow me to make the background disappear, so I can put whatever I want. So you can have it float. You can have something float in. You could put whatever you want as the background. We just went through the day, woke up, got what we needed, got food, came back. Man, now I'm ready to crash. Keep y'all's heads up. Keep creating. Why pay somebody else when you can make it yourself?